people are starting to shift deliberately to nasal breathing during sleep because of the additional resistance of nasal breathing and because of the fact that there's far less tendency, if any, to snore when nasal breathing. Taping the mouth shut using medical tape prior to sleep, putting medical tape on the mouth prior to going to sleep and then sleeping all night with medical tape on the mouth is one way that people can learn to nasal breathe during sleep and can greatly offset a lot of sleep apnea, snoring, and sleep-related issues. A number of people don't want to or don't feel safe putting medical tape on their mouth prior to sleep. For some reason, they think they're going to suffocate. But of course, you would wake up if you start to run out of air at any moment. So that's not so much a concern.